Welcome back to EduTube. In today's video, we're diving into an exciting part of our blockchain journey, real-world examples of decentralized applications or DApps. This is the 21st video in our Module 4 series on smart contracts and DApps, and today we're going to explore how these innovative apps are not just abstract ideas, but are already making a difference in our everyday lives. Today, we'll break down several real-life examples, using simple language and everyday scenarios to help you understand how DApps work and why they matter. Why DApps are changing the game. Before we jump into the examples, let's start with the basics. A DApp, short for Decentralized Application, runs on a blockchain. Think of a blockchain as a giant public notebook where everyone can see what's written, and no single person can change it without everyone else knowing. This means that instead of relying on a bank, a tech giant, or any central authority, DApps operate on a network where control is shared among all users. Why is this important? Imagine the last time you needed to trust a bank with your hard-earned money, or a social media platform with your personal data. With DApps, you no longer have to put all your trust in one centralized entity. Instead, the system itself guarantees transparency and fairness. This shift not only makes transactions and data handling more secure, but also gives you more freedom in managing your digital life. Real-world examples of DApps in daily life. Let's take a closer look at some everyday examples where DApps are already making an impact. We'll cover areas like finance, gaming, social media, supply chain management, and healthcare, fields that affect us all. 1. Decentralized finance, DeFi. Banking without banks. One of the most transformative uses of DApps is in the world of decentralized finance, often known as DeFi. Traditionally, when you save money or take out a loan, you rely on a bank to manage these processes. Banks have been the gatekeepers of your finances, and sometimes they impose fees or limitations that can be frustrating. Daily life example. Imagine if you and a group of neighbors decided to create a community savings club. Instead of depositing money in a bank, each member contributes to a shared pot, and everyone can see exactly how much is there at any time. When someone needs a loan, the rules are clear and automatically enforced by the group's agreement. There's no single person or bank making decisions. Everything happens based on transparent rules that everyone trusts. That's essentially how DeFi DApps work. They let you lend, borrow, and earn interest without a central bank interfering, making financial services more accessible and fair. 2. Gaming DApps, play, earn, and own your rewards. Gaming is another area where DApps are sparking innovation. In traditional video games, when you earn in-game rewards like rare items or currency, those rewards are controlled by the game company. You can play and win, but the company always holds the power. Daily life example. Picture a board game night with friends where every win earns you a special token. In a normal game, the host might decide who gets what. Now imagine a game where every token is yours to keep, trade, or even sell later. You don't depend on the host at all. DApps in gaming work similarly. When you win items or tokens in a decentralized game, you truly own them. These items can be traded outside the game, just like collectible cards among friends, giving you real value and control over your digital assets. 3. Decentralized social media. Your voice, your data. Social media platforms have become a central part of our daily lives, but they often come with hidden costs, such as data privacy issues and content control. With centralized social media, a single company controls what you see and how your personal data is used. Daily life example, think of your local community bulletin board. Imagine a board where everyone posts their announcements and every message is visible to the whole neighborhood. No one can erase or alter your post without everyone knowing, and you have full control over what you share. A decentralized social media DApp works in the same way. Instead of a big company deciding what content is acceptable, the rules are built into the system, ensuring that your voice remains yours and your data stays private. This approach not only fosters free expression, but also creates a more trustworthy environment where the community itself is in charge. 4. Supply chain management DApps. Trust in every product. Have you ever wondered about the journey of the food on your table or the products you use every day? With centralized systems, it's often hard to verify the authenticity and safety of these items. Enter DApps in supply chain management. Daily life example. Imagine buying a carton of milk and being curious about where it came from. With a DApp-powered supply chain system, you could simply scan a QR code on the milk carton. Instantly, you'd see a detailed record of its journey, from the farm where the cows were raised to the processing plant and finally to your local store. This record is stored on a blockchain that is open for everyone to see and cannot be tampered with. In everyday life, this means more trust in the products you buy, as you can be sure of their quality and origin. 5. Healthcare DApps, your personal health record. Secure and private healthcare is an area where trust and privacy are paramount. Traditionally, your health records are stored in centralized databases managed by hospitals or insurance companies, which can sometimes lead to data breaches or privacy issues. Daily life example. Imagine if your medical history was stored in a personal, secure diary that only you and your trusted doctor could access. No hospital or insurance company could alter it without your permission. That's what healthcare DApps aim to provide. By allowing you to control your own medical records on a secure blockchain, these DApps ensure that your sensitive information remains private and only accessible to those you authorize. This not only enhances your privacy, but can also lead to more personalized and efficient healthcare services. Why these real-world examples are so important. Each of the examples we discussed today, from DeFi to gaming, social media, supply chain management, and healthcare, demonstrates how DApps can transform everyday life by making systems more transparent, secure, and user-centric. They remove the need for middlemen, reduce the risk of fraud, and empower individuals by giving them control over their digital interactions. By understanding these real-world applications, you not only grasp the potential of blockchain technology, but also see how it can make your daily life simpler and more secure. DApps are more than just a technical innovation. They are tools that can empower you in a world where trust and transparency are becoming increasingly important. Today, we've journeyed through the practical side of DApps, exploring how they work in areas that touch our everyday lives. We saw how decentralized finance can make banking fairer, how gaming can turn play into true ownership, how social media can be more user-controlled, how supply chains can ensure product safety, and how healthcare can become more personalized and secure. To recap, decentralized finance, DeFi, empowers you to manage money without traditional banks, much like a community savings club. Gaming DApps allow you to earn and truly own in-game rewards, similar to collecting and trading tokens among friends. Decentralized social media puts your voice and data back in your hands, like owning your personal bulletin board. Supply chain management provides transparency about the journey of products, so you know exactly where your food or medicine comes from. Healthcare DApps secure your personal health records, giving you control like keeping a private, secure diary. Each of these examples shows that DApps aren't just a futuristic concept. They're already here, changing the way we interact with technology and making our daily lives more transparent and secure. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to EduTube, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. We're here to help you navigate the world of blockchain, one simple step at a time. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and remember that technology is here to make your life better and more connected. Happy learning, and we'll see you in the next video.